How to enable the pairing mode for your Apple Airpods Gen 2 and have them connected to a Redmi Note 13 Pro phone. Also, if you're interested in viewing the battery status, getting pop-up animation, there's an app. You can stick around to see the rest of that in this video here. So with the AirPods here, make sure they are not connected to another device. Make sure they got some charge in them and make sure they're both in the case when you're ready to do this here. While they're in the case here itself, at the back of the case with the case open, you'll notice this little button right here. Go ahead and hold down that button until you see the white light and it's going to start blinking. Let it blink for at least 3 to 5 times. So go ahead and do that now. So here we go. It's going to start blinking. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, then let it go. Keep the case lid open like this here for the rest of this process now. And on the Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or any of the models for the Note 13 here, you'll want to go ahead and use a quick panel access to get to the Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and do that. Look for the Bluetooth here, long press that. Go to more settings so you can see more options here. And just go ahead now and turn on the Bluetooth and you should see AirPods show up there for you. Okay, you'll see AirPods, tap on it once. It's gonna say pairing, you'll get the request, press pair, and you should be connected. It's gonna say connected, active. Tap on this right there, this arrow here, just to get some options such as phone calls and whatnot, okay? So now that you have them already connected and set, you are good to go. You can use them for media and calls, okay? However, if you want the pop-up animation to get the battery status there, what you're gonna do now is get this app from the Play Store. The name of the app is the Andropods, and I recommend this over every other AirPods app for Androids out there on the market, okay? For the Play Store, I should say. Now, with your app installed, you'll look for it in the quick panel access or the control center here with the app drawer, I should say. You'll tap on it and you'll see these options here. So if it's your first time, you'll need to give it permission for all of these options here. So show overlays, tapping on it once will take you here, go to Andropods and allow it for overlay, okay? Then go back to it again, give it permission for the Bluetooth, so you have to allow. And finally, for the notifications, you'll need to allow it all the time, okay? Then you'll be taken here to the main part of the app itself. So once in this section here, activate the service, choose your model, which is 1 or 2, either one of these here, and then turn on all 3 of these options here. This is gonna give you that pop-up animation. You'll also notice the icon up here to the top left, letting you know that that's ready to go, okay? So 2 things is gonna happen next. One, if you open up your AirPods and they're already connected to your Redmi Note 13 phone here, you'll get the pop-up animation. If it doesn't give you the battery reading right away like this here, what I want you to do is simply restart your phone. Again, that usually works all the time, okay? So, and if you take them out the case now, you're also gonna get the reading for the AirPods only. Okay, so it's gonna do this and give it a few more seconds and it's gonna register just the AirPods only for you, giving you this right here, okay? And that's that, like and sub.